Got about probably 10 in there. How did that trigger feel? Like, ain't it the hard, I mean the long pull the first time and then it shortened up?
Yeah, it feels good after.
Oh, okay.
So you like it?
Yeah.
My son likes it too. I feel like it's nice and smooth.
All right, now we're moving on to the other stuff. 1039, 1063. So the Gorilla is way quieter, but it still sound good. Gun run, so we ain't gonna be doing too much of that. Like I said, that stuff was, both of those boxes is $100 together for 40 rounds. But what was that, 1045? That shit sounded crazy. That sound crazy. 1115.
Oh.
So that one jammed. 1059. 1002. So they was close about the same, but it was still super quiet with the 16-inch. But it was quiet with the pistol. So both of them quiet, and it's definitely quieter than 300 Blackout to be throwing that big round down range.
Right here, right?
Yeah, that should be about right.
What are you doing on this?
3 115s first. Out of battery?
Yeah, it was.
Out of battery again. Hold on. Let me check this one out. Without the camera. Double check. So let me put the can back on. Alright, so let's just try 2 rounds of 115. Because if it do it again, we just gonna move over to the 124. Okay. See what happens. Still out of battery?
No, it was.
Out of battery. Was it out of battery?
Yeah, it was.
Okay, let's try the 124. So each one of them was out of battery?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't remember the last time we shot this one suppressed. Let's just do 2. Same thing? They got a lot of gas blowback. I can feel it on me. So those was out of battery also, right? So everything is out of battery with this with a can on it. Well, with this can on here. I don't even know if it ejected the run. Well, yeah, it did. See if that was a light stroke. Okay, that's what it's doing. Alright, so that's it for that one.